Hello, everyone. Aging is a natural and beautiful part of life. It's a time to enjoy the fruits of our labor and spend time with loved ones. But aging gracefully also means taking care of our bodies and minds. One of the best ways to do this is by staying active. Remember, age is just a number. It's never too late to start incorporating exercise into your routine. Even if you haven't been active in the past, it's possible to start now and reap the benefits. The key is to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Staying active doesn't mean you have to run marathons or lift heavy weights. There are plenty of low-impact exercises that are perfect for seniors. These exercises are gentle on your joints and can be done right in the comfort of your own home. So let's lace up our sneakers and get moving. Together, we can make our golden years our most active and fulfilling yet. Regular exercise is like a magic potion for our bodies, especially as we age. It helps improve our balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. This is especially important as we get older and our bones become more fragile. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise can also boost our mood and help us feel happier and more energized. It's a natural mood booster. Exercise also helps us maintain a healthy weight, which is important for overall health and well-being. And let's not forget about the boost it gives to our heart health. Staying active can also help improve our sleep quality, which is essential for good health. Who doesn't love a good night's rest? The best part is, you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to get moving. Your home can easily be transformed into your own personal fitness center. In this essay, we'll explore some simple yet effective exercises that you can do right at home. We'll start with chair exercises. These are great for building strength and improving balance. Then, we'll move on to light stretching, which is excellent for enhancing flexibility and range of motion. And finally, we'll discuss the benefits of walking, a low-impact exercise that's accessible to almost everyone. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Let's get started. Let's begin with some simple chair exercises. These are perfect for warming up our muscles and improving lower body strength. Exercise 1. Knee lifts. Sit up straight in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs for support. Slowly lift one knee up towards your chest. Hold for a moment, then gently lower your foot back down. Repeat on the other side. Exercise 2 ankle pumps. Sit comfortably in your chair. Extend your legs forward. Point your toes up and down as if you're pumping the gas pedal. This exercise is great for circulation. Remember to breathe deeply and go at your own pace. You can do these exercises while watching TV or chatting with a friend. Stretching is like a gentle massage for your muscles. It helps improve flexibility, which is important for maintaining mobility as we age. Exercise 1. Overhead side stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding onto a sturdy chair or countertop for balance. Reach one arm overhead, gently bending your body to the opposite side. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, feeling it in your side. Then, repeat on the other side. Exercise 2. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, feeling it in the back of your legs. Remember, listen to your body. Don't force any movements that cause pain. Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises you can do. It's low impact, doesn't require any special equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. Find a comfortable, well-lit area to walk, whether it's around your neighborhood, in a park, or even inside a shopping mall. Start with short walks and gradually increase the distance and pace as you feel stronger. Make it enjoyable. Listen to music, podcasts, or invite a friend to walk with you. Walking is a great way to stay active, enjoy the fresh air, and clear your mind. While exercise is incredibly beneficial, it's important to prioritize safety, especially as we age. Always listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts, especially during warmer months. Wear comfortable clothing and supportive shoes. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Before starting any new exercise program, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider. They can assess your current health status, consider any underlying medical conditions, and recommend an exercise routine that's safe and effective for you. Your doctor can also help you set realistic goals and advise you on any necessary modifications or precautions. They are your partners in health and well-being. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Take care of it. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, it's never too late to start incorporating exercise into your routine. Even small steps can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Make exercise a part of your daily life and enjoy the countless benefits it brings to your physical and mental health. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep moving. You've got this. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.